Hello guys! Hello ka-YouTubers around the world! Shout out! Happy Sunday everyone! Oh, look at this guys! What a beautiful Sunday afternoon! 88 degrees tayo ngayon. Oh, the one in front of me guys, that's my husband. We came from water park. It's my little baby nephew's birthday party. So he went to the park, to a water park for the party. Now we're on the way home, and I'm just following him. Look at him driving this little scooter. Right, guys? He looks funny. What do you think, guys? Since he looks funny, that's my husband. He don't want to use his Ducati. Instead of using it, he's